Hi trippers, welcome back to my channel, and we're here and I'm so excited to unbox my new Vanity makeup kit. So I really love it. Compared to the usual or compared to the market price, I got it very cheap, really. So let's see. Wow, this is a huge box. I really love this. This is a big box. Okay, and I can see it. This one is from, I can see it from here, from Vietnam, Kuala Lumpur. This is from Vietnam. Imported from Vietnam. So this is a big box. This is a trolley kit, a Vanity Kit makeup. Wow, this is so heavy. Wow, I don't know how to pull this one out. I got it the other night. So the seller brought it here. It's cash on delivery. And this comes in pink and black. So I want the black one, but I'll be putting decorations, pink decorations, because I love black and pink color. So it's so heavy. So I can just throw this box away, but I think I'll be keeping the phone for storage. Okay, this is it. This is my what's that? Oh no! This is my new Vanity Kit. I've been wanting to have one like this before, because it's so expensive. Even the small box so expensive. But fortunately, I saw this one online and she sold it to me very cheap, so I got it. There's the mirror. 6 bulbs. So the bulbs are here. Okay. There's 6, 8. So there's 2 extra for the bulbs. It's so nice. Control, light, turn it up and down, turn it off. Wow. lot of space where you can put your stuff, your makeup. There's a key. Another one here. And you'll love this one. The handle. Okay. You can use it. So you put this. Then you can put your blower. Oh, it won't fit. Oh no, like this. You can put your blower like that. And then your makeup. I so love this because if you're not going to use it, then you can use it as storage of all my Kikay stuff. So there's also this one where you can put items here and on the other side. What I love about this is there's light and there's a huge mirror. You can put your jewelry here because I don't have that much makeup, so I just need, see, there's a lot of storage. The only thing is this is so heavy. If you need to travel and you're going to bring this, it's not advisable because you have to have you need to buy baggage. So let's try this. So that's about it, trippers. I hope you also enjoy watching. If you have questions, just please comment down below. And I really love this thing, so watch out for my upcoming vlogs for makeup because I'll be using this Vanity Kit. I so love. And please like and subscribe. Please also see my other videos. Thank you. Bye.